So this is the Harbor Breeze Platinum Ports ceiling fan, and what it has is a slotted glass. Now before you just go and replace the bulb, one thing you want to check on these is to hold on the remote, the light bulb. These have a dim function, and sometimes if it's dimmed all the way dark, you can think that the bulb is out and it actually not be out. Normally you push the light bulb once on the remote and the light turns on to whatever setting it was dimmed to, but sometimes it's dimmed all the way down. And again, that's the first thing to check before you just replace one of these. A lot of times these are hooked up on a switch and then controlled by the remote. So as long as you turn it on first and then check that dim function. But if you've proven that your light actually needs to be replaced, these take a halogen bulb. I'll put a link in the description below for the bulb. And you can't touch these bulbs, so you got to take some precautions. Either wear some gloves or use a rag to not touch the bulb, because if not, it'll deposit oil from your fingers on the new bulb and then it'll burn out when you turn it on because these get really hot. That's the other thing, is to make sure that this has been off for a while and cooled down. Now these have a slotted glass that turns into grooves in the fixture portion.
Nubs.
So what you got to do is hold it with both hands, the fixture portion, and you can use your thumbs to turn the glass counterclockwise and then drop it down. I've had this one was kind of stuck, so I had a bit of a hard time. You don't just want to twist the whole light with the fixture. It's just the glass cover that you want to twist. So sometimes you kind of gotta hold the metal portion of the fixture and then use your thumbs to kind of force the glass to the left or turn the glass to the left.
Counterclockwise.
Work with it a little bit. If you had to spray a shot of lubricant, WD-40 or silicone spray inside there, you could, to make it a little bit easier to turn. But anyway, you twist it to the left, drop the fixture down in the grooves, let it come out as you turn it all the way to the left. And then you can pull out the old bulb. It doesn't matter if you touch it with your fingers, as it's already burned out anyway. And then you can change the bulb. Again, not touching the bulbs with your fingers, using a rag as you see here. And then you can change your bulb and then test it out. Turn the switch on, push the light bulb button, and it should light up on its own. If it doesn't, try holding that light bulb button down, because again, sometimes that dim function can make it seem like it's not on. Anyway, that's it for this particular ceiling fan. This one is the Platinum Ports. If you like this ceiling fan, I put a link in the description below where you can get the ceiling fan. It's a pretty nice deal and has some special features with the remote, a lot of different settings, and kind of nice deal that you can dim the light and all that. But anyway, that's how you can replace the light, and a couple different situations you may run into with the Harbor Breeze Platinum Ports ceiling fan.